At syempre, hindi lang tayo top 1 developer kay Pag-ibig. Top 1 din po tayo kay BDO. So nagkaroon ng awards night for developers, BDO Developers Appreciation Awards. So top 1 po si 8990 Holdings Inc. Bakit nga ba naging top 1 yung developer natin kay BDO? Kasi ito lang yung nakita kong developer na maliit lang yung ika-cash out mo. For only 25,000 cash out only, pwede ka na magkaroon ng 2-bedroom unit through bank financing or BDO financing. BDO lang ba ang affiliated bank dito sa developer na to? Hindi lang yon. Meron pang China Bank, BPI, Metrobank, Security Bank at Cebuana Bank. At ang pinakamaganda nun, dahil developer assisted yung housing loan mo kay bank, 30 to 90 days process lang, pwede ka na makalipat agad after the loan takeout or approval ng housing loan mo. And good thing, wala pang hidden charges at lifetime ownership pa ito. So kung matagal ka na naghahanap ng legit developer, legit lowest cash out promo, legit na parang rent to own, yung tipong ilalabas mo lang ay 10,000 to 25,000 cash out, no hidden fees, no extra charges, just follow me and message me para makapag-inquire po kayo sa akin at huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-heart. Thank you!